Well, President Trump could not be less focused on reopening the government or preventing premiums from exploding, but he is very focused on bailing out Argentina and buying private jets for Secretary Noem and bulldozing the White House so he can build a fancy new ballroom, even in the middle of a shutdown. Meanwhile, Republican leaders are sticking their heads in the sand and doing nothing beyond the same failed partisan vote over and over and over again. In a shock to no one, Republicans' decision to ignore reality has done nothing to change it. While House Republicans can't even be bothered to come back and do their jobs for over a month now, health care premiums are right now going through the roof. And you don't have to take my word for it. Window shopping started in my state of Washington today, and it is going to start in many other states as well. That means that today, families are logging on, looking for health care coverage for next year, and coming face to face with massive price hikes because Republicans downright refuse to work with us to do something about it. I have heard from families whose premiums are doubling or even worse. I have spoken to small businesses. Their owners are realizing that they may have to close up their shop or give up their health care. And this is not just happening in Washington State. I know because I've been talking to people in Idaho and Montana as well. This crisis is hitting them just as hard and in many ways even harder. So a reminder from my Republican colleagues, the majority of people who rely on the premium tax credits are in red states. And the states where those families will see premiums jump the most, again, all red states. These are your voters, and you are not listening to them. Instead, what is the Republican response? Silence. What is the Republican solution? Wait. Where are the House Republicans? Oh, they're on a month-long vacation that has no end in sight. This is not even remotely close to good enough. Not when open enrollment starts nationwide next week. Not when it has already started in Idaho, and not when families are window shopping right now and seeing astronomical prices. The Republican leaders' plan is to do nothing while those prices get locked in and people get priced out of their health care. Don't tell us to wait. Don't tell us to ignore this problem. Republicans have had all year to get serious about health care. Instead, they focused on tax cuts for billionaires, and they did not tell them to wait for new tax breaks. But now they are forcing working families to wait until those devastating price hikes are unavoidable. I mean, Republicans have actually talked more about health care during the shutdown than they have all year. But they are still refusing to talk about solutions. Wait is not a solution. Maybe we should have repealed Obamacare. That is not a solution. Saying we have a plan again, over and over and over again, is not a solution. Here's my clear message to Republican leadership. Stop wasting time. Stop ignoring your constituents and come to the negotiating table so we can work out a bill to reopen the government and prevent the health care cost crisis. Democrats are here. We are ready to get this done. But with window shopping underway and open enrollment right around the corner, Republicans need to understand there is not time to waste.
Senator Schatz.